1.
When are they going to place the order?
A.
It should be any day now.
B.
The order doesn't need replacing.
C.
I'll do it right away.
Two.
Where is that blue file I gave you?
A.
The new one's more versatile.
B.
I bought this one myself.
C.
I put it back on your desk.
Three.
Where should I put my shoes?
A.
There's a rack near the door.
B.
Not everyone can choose.
C.
Haven't you heard the news?
4.
When did Mrs. Suzuki call?
A.
She didn't say why.
B.
Just after you left.
C.
She had a fall last week.
5.
When do you anticipate getting the test results?
A.
It won't be for a few weeks yet.
B.
Yes, we're all looking forward to the results.
C.
The results are the best we could hope for.
6.
Where did you go this afternoon?
A.
We were all there until after 5.
B.
The afternoon is fine with me.
C.
There was a training session in room 3.
7.
Where do you want me to send the revised quote?
A.
The vote will be held in the boardroom.
B.
I think their accounting department should have that.
C.
You'll need to rewrite all the notes again.
8.
When do you think you'll get to the hotel?
A.
We should be checking in around 3.
B.
I've never stayed there before.
C.
I think this time we need a hard sell.